Hi, how are you?
I'm great, thanks.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Course. What do you need help with?
I am a teacher.
That's amazing. What subject do you teach?
Are you coming late today?
No, I'll be on time.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Can you repeat that?
Sure. Here it is again.
I don't understand.
No problem. Let me explain it differently.
What time is it?
3:30 p.m.
How much is this?
$10. Do you want to buy it?
See you later.
See you soon. Take care.
I like this song.
Me too. It's really catchy.
Please give me some water.
Here you go. Stay hydrated.
Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your day.
I am very tired.
You should rest. Take care.
Let's go to the park.
That sounds fun. Let's go.
Sorry, I am late.
No worries. Glad you're here.
That looks amazing.
I know, right? It's stunning.
I need some help.
Sure. What can I do for you?
It's a beautiful day.
Yes. Perfect weather to enjoy.
I love ice cream.
Me too. What's your favorite flavor?
Can you show me the way?
Course. Follow me.
Where is the bathroom?
It's right over there.
I wake up early.
That's great. It helps start the day well.
This is my book.
Looks interesting. What's it about?
I am feeling cold.
You should wear something warm.
You are very kind.
Thank you. That means a lot.
This food is delicious.
Yes, I love it too.
I have a big family.
That's wonderful. How many members?
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. How about you?
Can I have the bill, please?
Sure. Here it is.
It's too expensive.
Maybe we can find a cheaper option.
What's your favorite color?
I love blue. What about you?
I love this place.
Same here. So nice.
Please wait a moment.
Sure. Take your time.
That sounds good.
Great. Let's do it.
What are you doing?
Just relaxing. How about you?
I need a taxi.
Let me help you book one.
It's raining outside.
Don't forget your umbrella.
Let's go shopping.
Sounds fun. Let's go.
Where is the nearest shop?
It's just around the corner.
I am very happy today.
That's awesome. What's the good news?
This bag is heavy.
Let me help you carry it.
I want to learn English.
That's great. Keep practicing daily.
Let's watch a movie.
Good idea. What should we watch?
I forgot my phone.
Oh no. Do you need to call someone?
I will call you later.
Alright. Talk to you soon.
That's a great idea.
I think so too. Let's do it.
I am really hungry.
Let's grab something to eat.
Can you speak slowly?
Sure. I'll slow down.
I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Get well soon.
My phone battery is low.
You should charge it soon.
I have a question.
Sure. What do you want to ask?
Do you know the answer?
Yes. It's answer.
I need to go now.
Alright. See you later.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here. Let's talk again soon.
Where do you live?
I live in New Delhi.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Sure. What time?
I am very busy today.
I understand. Let's talk later.
Let's have lunch together.
That sounds great.
I feel so tired.
You should get some rest.
This is my favorite song.
It's a great choice.
I need some rest.
Yes. Take care of yourself.
Do you like coffee?
Yes. I love it. What about you?
Let's take a selfie.
Sure. Say cheese.
I will text you later.
'Kay. Talk to you soon.
What's the weather like today?
It's weather condition.
I love listening to music.
Me too. What's your favorite genre?
Can you pass me the salt?
Sure. Here you go.
I enjoy reading books.
That's great. What do you like to read?
I want to visit Japan.
That's amazing. Japan is beautiful.
What time shall we meet?
How about suggested time?
That's very kind of you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Don't worry about it.
Thanks. That's reassuring.
Let's go for a walk.
Sounds good. Let's go.
I am so excited.
That's great. What for?
I feel nervous before exams.
That's normal. You'll do great.
I am scared of the dark.
It's okay. You're not alone.
This is so funny.
I know, right? I can't stop laughing.
I need to clean my room.
That's a good idea.
It's time to sleep.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
I like playing football.
That's awesome. What's your favorite team?
I want some tea.
Me too. Let's make some.
That looks perfect.
Yes, just the way I wanted.
I will be back soon.
All right. I'll wait for you.
This place is beautiful.
Yes, I love the view.
I need to buy some groceries.
Let's go shopping together.
I love watching movies.
Me too. What's your favorite movie?
My favorite food is pizza.
Yum. What toppings do you like?
I am learning English every day.
That's awesome. Keep going.